Hey everyone, it's Fiction Crypto,
And Michael Lee XRP.
and today we are going to cover some very exciting updates for Sologenic. As we all know, the NFT marketplace will be launching live on the 27th of January. So we have some very exciting news to get into. First, I want to go over a price prediction of where the price is at for Sologenic. Follow up on our trade from 2 weeks ago that we told everyone about. Also some updates around the NFT marketplace. So right now you see Sologenic is trading for about 70 cents. You see a 68 cent right here. I like to round up. It kind of just helps me out. So we traded for about 68 cents. Like I said, in this video, I seen Solo price going to 65 cents. That's what I seen it going to. This video was shot more than 10 days ago. So you see the difference in the price right here. And let's just watch this little clip, just proving to you all, like, we're not just making lines on the chart. We're actually seeing where this market is going, and it's helping us predict the best times to accumulate these assets. So,
and the only reason I think the price will come into the zone is because it has to complete a full swing. It's almost there, but once I see this price action down to 87 cents, down to 77 cents, I will be kind of, cool with that. This is what happens when you are in these markets after these moves like this. You see people take profit. The smart money take profit up here and leaves people with money down here. Right here, this was the snapshot. So 200 million tokens were entered into the market. So this will happen when something happens like that. So I do see Sologenic going down to 65 cents in the short term. As far as long-term goals, after we see the distribution of Sologenic token in January 20th of this year, coming up in about 14 days, I do expect to see the price increase. So let's go to
so as you see in that video, we were dead on. As you see today, the low price for Sologenic was 65 cents. Mike, are you expecting this price to drop a little bit lower than this?
Yeah, I definitely am. We know that Solo's going to be getting distributed starting on the 20th, which is 2 days away. And as we know, a lot of people like to go ahead and take profits and convert to XRP, USD, whatever it is. A lot of people just want their cash in hand upon getting those rewards. So we can expect, you mind if I share my screen real quick?
Let's go over the chart markups in just a second. Let's go ahead and blitz through this Sologenic NFT news real quick as well.
For sure.
Okay, so yeah, we will do the chart markups in about 5 minutes. So let's run through this news for Sologenic. We have a couple of videos we want to play for you all. Starting off with Sologenic and this new NFT marketplace. It is scheduled to go live January 27th of 2022. That is in literally 9 days. So
you have probably heard of
it's about to get wild.
Just like in the real world, the most valuable pieces of art are unique, one of a kind. NFTs allow you to tokenize any form of art or intellectual property, making it unique in the digital world. Whether it's a drawing, a song, a photo album, a short film, or a collectible card, with the Sologenic NFT marketplace, you can turn them into an NFT easily and put them in the market for the world to admire, buy, and collect them. What does not having gas fees really mean? Well, if you're a creator, this means you can upload and mint your artworks without having to worry about insane upfront costs and multiple transaction fees. In fact, you can even mint as many NFTs as you want into one collection and only pay one single transaction fee. Thanks to the XRP ledger networks, you can now mint, trade, and transfer NFTs around the world in a matter of seconds. Feel the true power of a decentralized ecosystem at your fingertips. The Sologenic marketplace fits all types of creators with 8 different NFT categories. Whether you're a visual artist, a filmmaker, musician, collector, or even a sports fan, the process of minting an NFT could be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Create your collection today on sologenic.org and let the world admire you.
Yeah, a really, really great ad. Mike, what do you think this NFT marketplace is going to bring to the solo community in the XRP ledger?
Well, first, we know that this is the first NFT marketplace on the ledger. So a lot of people are excited. You know, we have a lot of NFT collections and projects that are going to be launching here. Um, yeah, so we're going to get this really see the power of the XRP ledger and what it can do in the non-fungible space. You know, music, videos, art. Um, it's very new. You know, we're just used to the XRP ledger being used for financial solutions and social solutions and stuff of that nature. But now with the XLS 20D protocol, we finally get to see another aspect, an aspect that's really been popping off last year, you know, with Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunk, stuff like that. Now we get to see some native NFT projects that are going to take the world by storm, in my opinion. And I think that a lot of people are going to move over to the XRP ledger um, because of its capabilities.
Yeah, definitely. And right here, you see that the team has sent out 150 early access invites for qualified projects on the Sologenic marketplace. So more than 100 or 15,000 NFTs will be minted in the first 24 hours. This right here is art by NFT Riddler. If you don't have art by NFT Riddler by now, you need to get you some. He is making the switch from the Ethereum blockchain to the XRP ledger, which, you know, if you were, you know, inclined and a smart person, it would make sense to make that move. Definitely because of low fees, it won't have a lot of, won't have any mint price, anything like that. Sologenic is making this straight up easy for everybody. And you see only 10 days left with the launch of the Sologenic marketplace. This is one of the NFTs that will be featured in the marketplace. These project XZilla right here, they have been around. XZillas have been around for a long time on the ledger. I know I haven't covered them, but this is one of the projects that I've been sent around. So it's really cool to see XZillas been going to be one of those projects that are on the you know, the initial list for the Sologenic marketplace. Right here, Forbes has listed Sologenic as a top 10 2022 crypto to watch. It's number 2 on their list from Tech Times. This article states right here that Sologenic is a sophisticated ecosystem disrupting the asset trading industry, including tokenized securities, crypto assets, and NFTs. By utilizing the on-demand tokenization of a wide range of assets from traditional finance markets or privately owned, the Solo team is also launching Corium, a new fast interoperable layer 1 blockchain with WSAM smart contract and 99% less carbon footprint. So we went over that Corium blockchain a couple weeks ago. The video should be popping up right here in the right hand corner if you do want to see that video. So that's really, really interesting. And also Sologenic will be going on a exchange listing blitz. So this is their marathon to get listed on a bunch of exchanges. This is why I feel like we see the price dipping. Usually when you get listed to exchanges, it seems like the prices dip for most cryptos. So this is why we see this low price. And right now I'm about to give Mike the floor so he can go over some of these charts. So let's this switch real quick. There we go.
All right. So we got Solo versus XRP chart right here. So as you can see, we got liquidity right here. This is where price had halted at 0.80. And so this is definitely going to get filled. Then we got a long wick right here. So wicks basically just mean liquidity. As the airdrop is distributed, as I said earlier, a lot of people are going to be offloading their profits. A lot of people are going to be selling their solo. So I'm expecting this wick to get filled. I will go down to the 6-hour time frame, and
especially with that second round of the first round of airdrop tokens being released in the next 7 days. Expect a solo price dip. Definitely expect that.
for sure. So now I'm at the 3-hour, and you can actually see this wick a lot better. So this is where price is currently, as I stated, 0.80. We got liquidity there, but then look at this long wick right here. So price obviously dumped at this point in time and left a lot of liquidity right here, just left a lot of money on the table. So I'm definitely expecting this to get filled, and I'm expecting a reaction somewhere in this area. I mean, this wick, just simply put, symbolizes money that has to be grabbed. I doubt, or I mean, it wouldn't make sense for them to leave this on the table. And the way things are lining up with the airdrop distribution, and then we got the NFT marketplace launching shortly after, I don't think price is going to stay down here long upon coming in this area.
I think we see one of those like flash crash scenarios where price just goes, you see a negative 50% on the solo price, but then like literally in those 2 hours of that price being like that, you see it bounce right back up to 60 cent. And then I think we're gonna see Sologenic take off after the 22nd. After the 22nd, this probably be the lowest you'll be able to get the price for this time around. And then, yeah, I don't think we will ever see a Sologenic token really too much of up under $1.
Right, and people are gonna have to get solo to pay for the fees on the
Yeah.
NFT marketplace. So, and a lot of collections launching there, it's gonna be a high demand. So that is why we have that view.
So
And
what? So do you know also that solo is what's going to be burned for the transactions? So
right,
with all of this new activity going on, it's going to be a lot of solo being burnt a month. I heard it's going to be around anywhere from 60,000 solo to 300,000 solo burned per month, because how of much of a demand the NFTs are going to be on the XRP ledger and for Sologenic marketplace.
wow, yeah, the rate is gonna be 3 solo per minting, and you can mint multiple NFTs at one time. So that is a great advantage. But 3 solo being burned per mint, yeah, I think that's going to have a big effect on the price for sure.
Yeah. So what 5 projects can we look towards, or some projects that we see
Yeah.
on a solo exchange that we can, oh, this is a nice one.
So Too Cold actually told me in the Twitter space a couple days ago that xSTIK will be minting on Sologenic. They're going to be one of the first collections to get minted there. Here's their NFT of the week right here. And here is their Hall of Fame. I mean, I love the diversity here. All kinds of different environments. Got this dude snowboarding, busting a trick. This dude out here in the thunderstorm. You got the Reaper, which is really cool. A lot of custom sticks right here, xSTIKs. And then they categorize them by common, rare, and epic. And just a lot of variety here, to fit your personality, fit your vibe. I really like these 3 right here. This is kind of giving me like a Borderlands vibe. I don't know if many people played Borderlands, but that's the vibe I'm getting from this one.
I like the dog.
Yeah, man, these are really cool. I haven't seen a single project like this, and it's definitely unique. So, and legendary. Wow. This one is really cool. Then you got the alien right here. But yeah, so this is one of the. Go ahead.
I see an XR Doge. You got any more projects, or you want to let me share my screen real quick?
Oh, XZillas. Yep.
XZillas. This is going to be one of those projects. We go over that. You don't have to really, you could just show them a piece of the artwork. Then we can type in Bored Apes, because Bored Apes will, XZilla is a really cool project. Bored Apes will be launching on Sologenic. This project is worth around, each Bored Ape is worth like 2,500 XRP or 30, around there right now. You know, got a lot of good partnerships. I know Fractal is a good token. You follow Fractal?
Yes, sir.
Can you pull that up real quick?
Man, I love Fractal by
Yeah.
NFT Labs.
And we're gonna have a new updated NFT like video coming out really soon. So yeah, Fractal is a good project. And let's just throw in one more. What other project are we looking at? Hopefully, this is not promotion. This is just projects that we're looking at. So please don't say we told you all to buy a token that, because we yeah.
XWarriors, I've been looking at this project. I will have a video
Yeah.
designated to this project, and this one's actually really exciting. And I do have some news for XWarriors. So they have been working on doing female XWarriors called waifus. They decided that whoever holds 2 female XWarriors tokens and 2 XWarriors tokens on mint day will have a chance to be featured in their upcoming manga. They're gonna have details coming up on that in the future, and there will be perks for holders of waifu and XWarrior tokens. Yeah, I wanted to pull up their website real quick and show y'all what their artwork actually looks like.
So are you telling me we have a chance to be in a magazine?
Yeah, manga is a anime-based comic book, if you will. Japanese is or Japan's where it originated, and I know there's a lot of anime fans in the crypto community, especially the XRP Ledger community, and so I'm sure they're just as excited as I am. I mean, look at this artwork. Look at the detail, how lifelike it kind of looks. You know, looks much more 3D than the kind of cartoon 2D stuff that we see
From most projects.
Man, this stuff is. I'm really hyped for this one. I actually already have an XWarriors token, and I look forward to minting my NFT.
So we will be making a video about this today, coming out. So this is about it for me and Mike. We just wanted to show you all this new updates for the Sologenic marketplace. It's a lot of information in this video. Like I said, we definitely predict on at least by March, you know, Sologenic to be trading for about $1.75, back in that range. It may move a little bit faster than that. So, I mean, we're definitely expecting to rebound on this price very, very soon. So yeah, that's about it.
Just because I just wanted to add in, just because, you know, you see price come down here, doesn't mean anything bad. If anything, it means that it's a lower price for people to accumulate.
Yeah.
And it is simply the mechanics of price action. It is simply price flow. And I definitely expect to see these all-time highs once again. And especially with the token burn on the NFT marketplace.
And it's so much you get from holding Solo. First, you get the cheap fees. Then you get another token for just holding Solo. So it's like, it's in your best interest to purchase a couple of these tokens, and that is not financial advice. But yeah, we're gonna get up out of here. All right, man. It's Fiction Crypto
And Michael Lee XRP.
All right, peace.